Hi, sir. Good morning.
Hi, ma'am. Good morning.
Yeah, my name is Meenu. I am from Quality Department. I just want to take a feedback interview from you, sir. Yeah, first of all, congratulations that you have got placed in a company.
Thank you. Thanks, ma'am. Thanks a lot, ma'am.
Yeah, so can you give a introduce about yourself or
Yes,
your studies and your hometown and these things?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Hi, everyone. Actually, my name is Shreyas. I have completed my diploma in civil engineering in 2016, and I have 3 years of experience in site works like finishing works, in structure works, and all. I'm basically from Bangalore, born and brought up completely in Bangalore. Actually, firstly, I had got a chance in site constructions to work as a site engineer. I almost worked there for 2 years, and then I just shifted to some other airports works. Like this, I just continued my journey, and I've been, known to CMTI like from an WhatsApp group, and then I came here. I just learned everything, whatever it is needed for my future, and gained some knowledge. I would like to tell that.
Yeah, so how did you come to know about CMTI? Through WhatsApp or how?
Through WhatsApp, actually through WhatsApp, I was in some group like a jobs group.
Okay.
Actually, from there I got a message, and then I attended an interview in CMTI. They just referred me for a Pinnacle Prime and Rainy Filters. I thought that that could not be the best option, so I just inquired them about what is the CMTI? I mean, what CMTI is actually doing for young engineers, and what are the training, what type of training they are giving, and what are all the features in civil engineering. That actually
Okay.
firstly I was not knowing about, like we have some project planning called Primavera, MSP, and all. Firstly I was not knowing. When I got to know about it and explored in here in CMTI, I just want to explore something new. Actually, I thought only the civil site engineering itself is the biggest part in the civil
Okay, that is
industry.
great. Now you come to know about these all courses are there,
And
so you feel like
these are all the courses that we can improve our skills and gain.
yeah. Okay, so you can tell me like how was the course that which you preferred, no? How was the
Yes.
course, the syllabus, and how was the quality of the content? You can
Syllabus
just tell.
syllabus in the sense, I would like to tell that what colleges don't teach us, but CMTI is basically of that type. Like teaches us what the industry needs, like site execution or billing or quantity surveying or something. How to analyze things in the site. Actually, I work for 3 years in site experience. Have 3 years in site experience, but nobody used to tell us like do that, do this, learn that. Nobody used to teach us, but we have to learn ourselves when we are in the site. Actually, we are on our own, like running a race. So just we want to know that what just we want to know. And inside we don't get any experiences like how to calculate things. They'll teach us, but they don't have time to teach us. Like for juniors, for
Because
freshers.
we have to be connected with you so we can understand like how we are going through, right? That's what
Yes,
you
ma'am.
mean. Yeah.
Yeah, actually, I thought of it is. I thought firstly, I thought it is a good choice. I mean, to opt this course. Actually, just I've completed my diploma, but not BE Civil. I've not done my BE
Okay.
Civil because I thought that I should gain some experience. Then, rather than studying, if I get some site knowledge, real site knowledge, what is the site knowledge? Now I got to know that 3 years, I got to know that something is missing in me. Like whatever the calculations or something like that, how to manage a project, how to do everything like that. I just want to learn the new things, and I wanted to go for next level. Site engineering in the sense, just we have to look up the thing, we have to do the bills only. And just I then thought like doing something better and different from others. Like why couldn't I try like this? Why couldn't I try this course? Just can like that. Just came to know about CMTI and inquired them, and enrolled myself into this course.
That is great. Yeah.
Yeah.
How did you can give few little bit words about the trainers, how they helped you? So you can
Yes,
tell.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Trainers in the sense, I would like to tell them as my good mentors. Actually, I would not like to tell them as a trainers. They are good mentors. Actually, everyone in the sense whom I met and whom I have interacted with them is a totally a good, vast experience in my college life. Also, I have not attended so that type of faculty or something like that. The way of teaching, the way of expressing some notes or something like that, the way of expressing, giving valuable things, how to be in a site, how to prepare for site, how to be with a client, how to behave with the client. We got a good knowledge. For example, Vamshi sir also. Vamshi sir is taking on project planning. Actually, the best project planning I have heard till now. And that the way of teaching, the way of his, the
Approaching.
words what he expresses, approaching, yeah, everything is excellent. I loved it. And everyone like Natarajan sir also, Santosh sir, SketchUp, he's going to teach us SketchUp. If we ask 10 time also, he's ready to teach. He's ready to mingle with everyone, and he's ready to teach 10 or 20 times. But the fact is, we have to understand it. But what we, the freshers who come from the college, like they'll not ask any doubts or something like that. Like what they feel like that, or someone will think something, someone will tell like that. Why should we ask the doubt? Someone we are scared of like that. But here I don't find
Even in
any
our
kind
college life, no, we used to be a little bit scared. Someone, if
of,
you're asking doubt, what this ma'am will be thinking, what she'll be thinking, if she'll be clear or not. But that hesitation should not be there, no, sir, because
yes ma'am.
if you're learning some concept, you have to be feel
Yes,
very
ma'am. If we are
comfortable.
learning some,
Yeah.
if we are learning some concepts, like what my suggestion is to ask more doubts. Now they are not in the site, it is okay. But now when they go to site, right, they'll get some doubts that they may not be clearing in the site. But when you come to the institute, we are getting trained with these type of experienced faculty. For everyone is well experienced, and everyone give us a good knowledge. Whatever the subject we ask, for every for any of the lecturer, if you ask Natarajan sir, he'll teach us about planning or MSP, something like that. He'll give us good opportunities to learn. Do this type of, do this method, you will learn. Do that method, you will learn. And if you ask Vamsi sir also, he'll be just telling us like, concentrate on whatever you get. First get a chance. Whether you don't go for just a salary, you just see the what are the experience you are just gaining. What if they give the 10,000 also, it not matters. If you have a good experience about around 5 to 6 years, the salary will just come by your side. Then you can demand your salary like that. They just fill up every positive mind. Like their every classes would be like, we'll be eagerly waiting when will be the next
Because see, if
the
you're
next class.
eagerly waiting only, that is the thing which we are reaching through you, right?
Yes
So
ma'am.
if you're, yeah, this class is enough. If you feel that is not right, the thing. If you're feeling, see, now you're telling when is the next class, that is the
Yes ma'am.
thing. Yeah, how we are teaching you, how the way we are approaching, that all depends. So you are
Yes.
telling, no, that's why I'm really feeling happy that
Yes ma'am.
your approaching way that you're telling, no. So I'm waiting for the class. So because you feel no the comfortability as well as the
Yes, yes,
explanations
yes.
are fine. Yeah,
Yes, yes.
correct.
But what doubts we didn't clear in the site experience, we are just covering it up each and every bit of it. Like everyone is well experienced. For example, Gandhi sir also teaches us very well about the QS. What are the methods to be practiced? How to, suddenly, like if someone asks like that, how to get a quantity of that? If someone asks me what is the quantity of that steel, this cement, how do you calculate it? Just in within the steps you can go through the shortcuts, and just he'll just take up the subject there. I would like to tell that, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
fine. That is great. Yeah,
Yes.
you can just tell about our staffs. So how did they approach you? Like, how did they help you till you getting placed?
Yes, ma'am. Staff in the sense where they are very good. Actually, firstly, Ashwini ma'am was there, and Yashoda ma'am was there, Aruna ma'am was there. Yeah, they were very helpful, like scheduling the sessions or telling us or updating in the group, something like that, and then just interacting with us. When is the next class? We were going to discuss with them like, ma'am, please arrange this class. If we are going to not getting the next class, like we are going to just explaining them like, you can adjust this class, we will adjust this class, we can attend, we can gain some more knowledge, something like that. They were very helpful for each and every
Yeah.
student,
So
like,
if they are friendly and approaching you, even if you feel comfortable, because while asking any details or something, no,
yeah,
they
yeah,
have to be in the form like they will be helping you in the sense.
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
What do you want to tell your juniors and your friends that what regarding who's looking out for jobs as well as for the thing, the studies and the course. What do you want to tell to your friends and your juniors?
Yes, juniors, I would like to tell my juniors that first you understand what is the situation, what the industry needs. Like
Okay.
for example, one industry needs site engineer, one industry needs project planning. Don't learn everything. Like learn in the starting stage, you have to learn everything. Like every knowledge you have to know. But in going process, like firstly now I would like to tell, like I was in the site engineering field, and just now I'm going to shift for planning. I'm going to
Okay.
shift for planning. I'm just interested in. Actually, I learned Primavera here. I was just very interested in that. I was approaching Ashok sir also for some internships, but I got a good place. Suddenly, I got a good place. Actually, I was on the placements for a metro construction for internship for about 1 month or 1.5 months. Actually, we had spoke on with us with Ashok Kumar sir, but actually, I got a good chance. Shweta ma'am called me like that, you can just go for an interview, you can just attend it, there is no problem in it, you just go and have a experience. Like that I just went on through, I mean, the interview. Actually I got, he told me that I was very happy for your presentation, yeah, you have been selected, you can just come and do the documentation process. Like that I would just tell you, like that first get a good experience. If you don't get a good salary also, believe me it or not ma'am, seriously, when I got placed in first, when I was a fresher in my Sai constructions, just my salary was about 8,000. But I didn't want that to be a more salary or something like that. I would like to tell them that what is a salary or something like that. You just don't go for the salary, you just get a good experience. Actually, if I saw the salary, if I've been seeing the salary for 8,000, I could not be. Actually, it was a high-rise building. It was a 40-floor structure what we have
Yeah.
constructed, but I was not getting that much experience. Like what are in high-rise building, they use complete each and every point, each and every. I mean, what are the construction methods they follow? What are the? I mean, how the client manages the things, how the contractors will be, how the laborers will be. Like that, we are just going to. We'll just know the procedure, what to do. I mean, what is the main safety concerns main a lot in the high-rise projects. So I would like to tell my juniors that don't go for salary in the starting stages, whether it may be 8,000 or 10,000. Just get a good experience about it, get some knowledge, not to the 100% up to the mark, but something at least you have learned. If you are in a project for about 2 years, at least we could have learned some 10% or 15% rather than our friends. Like they could not be knowing what is a site experience.
That is really truth. Because when we are entering into a
Yes,
field, we cannot expect like more salary and these things.
yes,
We
ma'am.
have
Yes,
to gain experience plus knowledge and working in the field in the sense how you are telling, right? So
yes,
these
yes.
all approaches in every job if we are entering, not only the particular job which we are mentioning, but every job when you're entering into a sector, just which you are told that comment was really truth.
Yes, yes, when I joined also, nobody like they were mentoring us. But what in the how in the sense like just they were telling do that, do this, you can do this, you can continue this, you can do this. But not the methods they were teaching, like this is the accurate way, this is the accurate way to do it. We just learned 5%, 10%, 15%, 20%, and just when I came to this institute, I would like to tell that I learned more better than what I learned in site. Comparing when I compared to the site knowledge and here the what experience am I gaining, actually it is a good. I mean, it was a good experience for me. Like what are the? I mean, the gaps are being filled now. Not up to the mark, 100%. I'm not filling it, but 50% to 60% from 20% what I've been, I've come for 80 to 60%. I could happily say that I'm in a position like now I'm filled with 60 to 70%, still 30%. In next few years, I'm just going to fill that with these using this experience, this knowledge, and I could contact everyone like our trainers for feedbacks or something like that.
Of course, you can do it. The sense we have to have really interest. So it depends. So we can, if you work hard, surely we will reach. Yeah, you can just give few tips to your. Like how did you crack the interview? Like you can tell few points, so that will
Yes,
help out. Like who's going to attend next interview or something, no? So how
yes.
to crack that points will be very useful for them.
Firstly, cracking in the interview sense, the communication what we do. communication in the sense from the first point where they start. Like for example, introduce yourself. We have to just introduce, give a short brief introduction about ourselves. Like these are the things we have done, like where I am from what works I have done. About that, just a brief introduction we can give them. And then just they look us by, the what the formality where we are wearing it, everything like that. That matters first that matters, then the communication skills matters. And then if they has something like that, something to present or something, give a presentation on. When I went for an interview, actually this was my better and the first experience which I had gone through around for 2 to 3 hours. They were interacting with me. That was a valuable. Yes, actually, one Subramani sir was there. Firstly, I gone through with two of the mentors there. Like one is from estimation team, interviewed me for about 15 to 20 minutes about asking me about how the work experience, how the site works, and what are the projects you have done, what you have learned in the projects, and what you have learned in your CMTI, and how the CMTI has been helpful to growing you in your future, like that. They asked me something questions like that, and just I answered them like in a good manner and a positive manner. Just don't tell them if you don't know anything. Just tell them what is the truth. What is the truth? Yes sir, we have done like this. Yes sir, we have done like this. Whether it may be wrong or not, it impacts more a lot. If you tell something a lie to them, they start asking questions from them. For one question you will have a lie answer, but not to the 100 questions what they have asked. You are not
Yes,
prepared for it.
we
Only
can't
one
answer
question you have to
because
get.
one lie will create a multiple lies only.
Yes, yes. When we create a
Yeah.
multiple lies like that, they'll be just concentrating on that, and then just they'll be speaking about that itself. You are not prepared for that, right? For lying the sense or something. Like for one question you will be prepared, but not to the 100 questions. So better don't do that. Tell them what is the truth, what is that, what is that actually. Yes, sir, it is like this. It is, sir, like this. I'm just interacting with this. I'm just going to learn. I'll improve myself. If I get a good chance, I'll just prove myself in this organization. Like that, you just politely answer them. Yeah, and then they will don't lose the patience if they make you wait. That is a main point which I'm going to tell my juniors or something like that. Some juniors, like I have seen many juniors with me, or who attended the interviews or something like that. If they make them wait, they'll just leave from the situation. They'll just drop from the situation. Like my suggestion is that if they wait for you for 8 hours or 10 hours, that might not a matter. They're just testing your patience. What he's going up to do that, what is up to his patience level. They are going to check his patience level. Actually, they also told me like just wait for 10-15 minutes, and just I finish the full formalities and something like that. They'll just come to you. They'll just come to you, but don't get panic or something like that when they're asking. Be calm and be cool, and answer whatever you know. Just answer them. Whatever you don't know, just yes sir, I'm going to aware, and I'm just going to learn it. Actually, the interview process was very good. Actually, they told me to connect my laptop to the system. I just connected and gave a presentation about them, about Primavera. They just asked me what all you learned in Primavera and who was your trainer there. I just explained Vamshi sir was teaching Primavera, and he just explained us everything. Actually, they asked me about live projects, but actually I didn't work on any live projects or something
Line
like that.
project.
Live projects. But I told them, like, sir, we have done one assignment on that. Like, we have linked everything from whatever from project start to project finish. We have linked everything. We have accepted the predecessors, successors, how to use filters, how to create a dynamic WBS. Whatever you know, you just explain in vast. If you know the two lines, you just explain them in as if you know that 100 lines. If you know the two
Okay.
lines,
Because
you
the
just
two lines should not be like a two line only. That we can
yes.
explain to like 100 lines. We
Yes.
can
If
brief
you
and we
just,
can tell.
just that is my one of the good situation I face, and I do that normally. If I just know the two lines, I'm going to just explain them. Like I know something about it. I know something about it. How to create a dynamic WBS, how to create it, how to take it back, how to create separate folders for if one QS team. They ask me like some whatever we communicate, they start preparing questions for them own, and just they'll be asking on us, why you can't do like this, why you can't do like this. So we have to just be prepared and be well answered from on the spot. We have to answer them everything like that. Yeah,
You have
just
to prepare yourself, no, because what they'll be asking next, even we
yes,
have
yes.
to like a
Yeah,
thing.
just will be prepared for what the subject we are just learned from here, like what is primavera, what how we are linking the activities, when is the project going to start, when is the first main point is the main criteria of one interview or something like that is, if you, for example, if you go for an project planning mainly stands on calendar, like what dates we give from start to end. First just explain the main point, they'll be just highlighted. So when I went for when the tricks, what I used is, like, what are the main points, what are the main things required for a planning, you just explain them, and then explain them what are the notes they have given from, like our trainers have given you, and what are the process. If you just got a panic or something like that, if you are not getting something or like that, you just explain what are the course, from starting what you have done, what are the activities you have included. You just tell them we can export from, import the files or something like that from Excel or MSP or something like that. Whatever you know, you just explain them in vast. If you know the 2 lines also, you just explain them as if you know something like 100 lines. That will be a main one plus point for you. And then they don't see actually whether it is a correct or wrong. They actually observe the speaking skills or communication skills and presentation skills, how you are presenting or something like that. That will be a main plus point or addition plus point to you to hire them.
That
That
is
is
great.
the main.
Yeah,
Yes,
because when we are appointing a person, so we must know their confidence level and how they are
yes,
answering skill, they'll be checking surely. So
yes, yes.
that's what which you have done, like 2 lines, we can mention it as a brief. So
Yes,
that's
ma'am.
all the tips will be, I think that
Yes,
will be
that
very
will be the
useful.
main. Like that, they can understand the situation. Oh, yes, he can. He is capable of explaining something better, something explaining, giving a communication skills better than that. Like that, they'll think that. That
Sure.
will be one point to I want to tell my juniors or who is speaking, seeking jobs or something like that. I would like to tell them. And some of my juniors in my class just asked me like, what is the best course? Actually, I have some experience, right? Tell me like interior is the best course, or planning is the best course, or this one site engineering is the best course. I would like to just tell them that first, basically, my suggestion is my own suggestion, personal suggestion is that if you have some little experience about site knowledge, first we have to know like site we have to know the first thing,
Okay.
what are the what will be the procedures of construction of site, what is the sequence of construction, like that. And in that you have to think, like for freshers, I'm just telling key points. Just you have to think like, okay, interior, if you have something interested in interior or something like that, just speak to Ashok sir or something like that, our mentors or our faculty or team. They'll just explain you the things, what is the best way to get into the company or something like that. If you're good at interiors, just go through the interiors and practice some books, learn, seek some skills, like that. Softwares, you mainly prefer the softwares.
Yes,
And then
yes.
if you come for something like that, if you want to continue as a site engineer, first learn some basics, like conversions and how to do it, what are the quantity of steel, how to take it. These are the just basic things. Actually, when we go to site for the freshers, they won't tell us, oh, go and you build a structure, man, for about for 4 floors you're going to build it, go and build. They'll not just tell us, they'll just explain us, giving us a drawing. Where is the beam, which are the bars provided on the top, which are the bars provided on the bottom, which is a main bar, which is a distribution bar.
You will
Just you
also be learning step by step only.
yes,
Straightly, they
yes.
cannot tell, no, you construct this house.
Yes, yes. That is what I'm just telling. You just brush up the basics and make a foundation of that basics. And wherever in the world, if you go, you can just crack that. Like if you just know the basics, wherever in the construction field is that same steel only they're going to put, same concrete only they're going to put, same drawings only they're going to instruct, but the architecture will be different and the steel sizes will be different. That's all. The procedure of formwork, concreting, or building with the bricks, blocks, or everything is same in every corner of the world. It is same. So I would like to suggest them, you go on your choice. better, it's better to go on your choice as juniors or freshers. I would just like to tell that. Or else if you are experienced, so to some extent like 1 or 2 years experience, you'll get a knowledge of it. Like how I get, how am I now, like 2 years or 3 years, I'm just an experience. I will just know what to do in next. I mean, I faced in these 3 years, what I've missed is I want to just complete that, and I want to feel that future to my. So that is why. So I would like to tell that you just go for your choice. Firstly, do whatever you like, and then see if you're not just liking that field, you just shift on. You be studying in the back end also this type, and then just you just shift on, and just you be studying both, compare both. If you are site, if you are good at site, and then if you want to go for interior, just study both. In both conditions, which is preferable for you, which is more likely to you, and you want to build future in that, so you can just go into it and build your complete future in it.
Yes, sir. So that was nice. Yeah, like you can just tell like when you got placed, no, how was your feel and your experience then when you got placed, that moment, how you felt.
Yes, actually, firstly, I would like to tell I was not thinking about salary. Salary in the sense they might be giving 15,000 or 20,000. Actually, in project planning, for a project planner, in other companies, they'll ask for about 5 to 6 plus years experience in
Okay.
planning. So when I just got to know that, I also just thought, if I join now for planning, how will be my future in the sense, after if I get, if now the no company is ready to hire like freshers for project planning. They'll hire for freshers like for site engineering in the sense, if we get a drawing, we are going to just execute, or we are going to tell our barbenders, laborers, or carpenters, something like that. You can just guide them. But project planner in the sense, it is a different set of role. We have to plan the things in before, in advance. What is the next, what the site engineer doesn't see through his visualization, a project planner can see is a visualization, complete visualization of his project, in just a view of scheduling his activities or something like that. Scheduling his complete project activities, what is going to be, he can just visualize the things. So project planner plays a very important role. I thought that why I could not just take this chance and get us some good experience. In other companies, they're just asking for. I've just spoke with Shweta ma'am. Like, yeah, she was telling, no, Shreya, like they're asking for about 5 to 6 years experiences like that for project planning and all. Actually, I was just interested in project planning when Vamshi sir taught us, gave us a good, examples of that, how the project planning works, how the role will be played like that. I just loved that. I just showed the interest. I have just worked on it in my laptop or doing assignments or something like that. Whatever assignments, the main one suggestion is from for my juniors is, whatever the college life is over,
Yeah.
you don't think that just they're giving some work or something like that. They're not just giving the works. It is for your life steps. They're just making some foundations for your life steps. You just follow that. You, if you don't know also, you just do the wrong things. Actually, firstly, also when Mamshi sir taught us, like, this is a procedure, this is a procedure. Firstly, in the day one itself, we didn't do it properly or correctly. We made a mistakes. We made it mistakes purposefully. We made everything wrong. Like, he just taught us, yeah, this is the mistake you people are going to do. You have to rectify this. You have to do this. Don't think assignments as a headache or something like that. Oh, they've given assignments or something like that. Oh, we are not having time or something like that. So don't think. It is a just foundation for your steps of your future. Just follow the whatever the assignments is given. Just follow them. You do in a proper manner. If it is right or wrong, you just come to them, ask them. They'll just guide you in a proper manner. They'll teach you what the next your life, your future needs. Like that, you don't just go for, I mean, these are the assignments they have given, man, I can't complete it, I can't do it in a proper manner way, I'm not knowing it. Do wrong 10 times, there is no problem, they'll teach you 100 times. They'll be a good experience for you. And then in life, when you make this mistake, you'll get to know, yes, I've done those mistakes in that days, now have completely changed, and now I'm going to do it correctly. When you're going to do a bit, practice it for 100 times, for the one not one time, you're just going to rock it. I'm just going to tell that. So please, do your assignments properly. What are they have given in plan?
Yeah.
My plus point actually when I or something like that, if I not link my activities, I have not followed the Vamshi sir instructions. Today I was not able to present the same. What you do you believe it or not, ma'am? Actually, seriously, whatever I've done from day one to day end in project planning, I've just explained them in few minutes. In few minutes,
Okay.
like these assignments help us to make a better view for a interviewer or something who is interacting with us. It makes a good impact on them, like how, yeah, he has worked on something, whether it is wrong or not, it doesn't matter. Actually, firstly when they
Because
call
you
me,
are telling, no, see, continuous, I am studying, ma'am, for I'm making mistakes, then I'm correcting myself. So when you started correcting yourself, automatically it will become right at one time,
yeah,
right?
yes, yes, we'll
Because
get
like
to
if
know
you're
the
making 50 times
procedure.
mistake, 51 time, normally it will become correct. The
Yeah.
situation 50 times, we have to not become worry. Ma'am, why ma'am, this 50 time it's not coming? You have to not get worry. You have to
Yes.
overcome the
We have to,
situation.
at
You have
least
to
we have
come.
to try in. If you are not getting in one method, we have to try some two, three methods. In the two, three methods, one method will be correct, and one method will be matching about 70 to 80% of what we are. What answer we have to get. 70 to 80% it will be matching. Something, one pin of point, we are missing it. So our faculty team will fill that pin of a point, and just we are going to rock in it. What we are going to, seriously, the assignments which was done by me or something instructions given me like that, we have followed it. We have and one more thing is like that, the assignments what given from our project planning team or something like that, do it
Yeah.
in a day by day. Once if you just miss the day, you can't just follow that. You can't just follow the next day. For example, if we are not linking the schedules from day one, we can't get the bar chart, or we can create the
Yeah.
CTM network or something like that. So better, my suggestion from my experience, what I've learned from it, link from the day one, whether it is wrong or not. Vamshi sir will betterly teach you from connecting to everyone. Like he'll just
Yeah.
make us understand the valuable things which he has given inputs to me, how to face an interview, what to just explain them. That is what in starting I've just told you, right? Just explain the things what you know in a vast. That is my one of the key which I'm giving to my
Yeah,
youngsters or
sure,
juniors.
sure, sir. Yeah, that is great. Thank you so much for your wonderful feedback. So
Thank
we
you.
have got from you. That will be surely helpful to our listeners as well as your juniors upcoming who's going to attend interview. I think these points are that will be very useful, which you have given the tips plus everything. So once again, thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much for giving this good opportunity. Thank you
Sure,
for giving
sure.
a feedback.
So I
Yes,
think we had a good time while we were sharing your experience.
yes, ma'am. Sure.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
okay, ma'am. Thank you. Shall I cut the call, ma'am?
Yeah, sir, you can.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you.